So here is a nice Citizen Eco Drive. The band is aftermarket. It's an Alpine, stretchy, like the old style bands, very comfortable. But I got this Citizen Eco Drive chronograph from my dad, and here's a quick tutorial on how to use it. So I have 7-inch wrists, and you can see that it fits beautifully. So hold on, let me get it off. So people think chronographs are confusing, but they absolutely are not. They're very simple to work. So the big red second hand is only for the stopwatch, and you start it by pressing the top button. Okay, and it'll shut itself off after 60 minutes. There's your dial for the minutes. It'll count off up to 60 minutes and then just reset itself. And your regular second hand is down here at the 6 o'clock. See it? The little tiny one? That's your regular second hand. So when your battery is getting low and it needs a charge from sun, it's your small second hand down there that will double tick, indicating the battery is low. So let's wait until the red chronograph timer second hand goes to the top, and this will tick off 1 minute on the 60-minute here subdial. And the 24-hour military time, don't worry about that. Nobody uses it. It's good for setting the date, but there, now you can see that we have 1 minute into our chronograph 60-minute timer. So anyway, you can pause the stopwatch, resume it, but if you just want to reset it, you hit the bottom button, and the seconds and the minutes reset to 0. And like I say, you can just let it run, and it'll just stop and reset after 60 minutes on its own anyway. So you really don't have to worry about it. And it's got nice large sword hands, really easy to read it. It glows a cool blue all night long. Really nice, not thick. And it's got your standard type of Citizen back there. 100 meters water resistant, that is really good. I mean, you could actually take this swimming. 50-meter watch, I wouldn't risk it, but 100, you're good to go. So that's just a quick tutorial. So there's your regular second hand there at the 6 o'clock, the small subdial. 60-minute timer and 24-hour military time dial, but you never have to worry about it. You don't even have to use the chronograph.